So now see how to draw a circle. For circle, there is a command C enter. Okay, I will create a new thing. Matlab, I will show you circle somewhere here. Suppose I am drawing a line of 200 mm. So I am joining these 2 points from here to here. Okay, you can draw anywhere, and I want circle at its midpoint. Okay, so for circle, I have command C enter. Then this is my center. So if you type or if you use command C enter, or you can click on the circle icon also. If you click on or if you type C enter, now it is asking me to specify center point for circle. So this is my center point. I will click on the center point and just give direction. Don't click anywhere else. First click only to select the center. Then it is asking me to enter radius. Let's say I'm typing radius as 35. Okay, 35 and then enter. So your circle is formed. Okay, you can draw it anywhere. Let's say I am doing C enter. I want to draw a circle at intersection of these 2 points. Suppose this radius is 45. Okay, so you can draw a circle at anywhere. So this is how to draw circle command. Now suppose I don't want anything inside this. So I will use trim command. Trim command is TR double enter. I will use trim command TR double enter. And if I click on this, then it will get trimmed. Trim is nothing but your eraser. Okay, so suppose if you want to draw a semicircle, then you can draw a circle and then you can trim it. Okay, so trim command is TR 2 times enter, double enter. Okay, it will act like as an eraser.